If you're feeling playful, you can use them just for pleasure. Ever heard of Kegel balls that aren't just for pelvic exercises, but can also be a little fun on the side? Yes, Lovey, that's the Satisfyer Yoni Power 2. Hey Lovies, it's me Anne, your TikTok girly, and today, we're checking out this tiny but mighty set that can help strengthen your pelvic floor and give you stronger orgasms. If you've ever wondered what Kegel balls are really for, or why people are swear by them, you're in the right place. Let's begin. Okay, first things first, don't let their size fool you. These balls are smooth, made with body-safe silicone, and shaped perfectly to fit comfortably inside. This set comes with 3 balls, each designed with different size and weight so you can pick the perfect one for your self-routine. The small ball measures 4.9 inches in length, 1.1 inches in width, and 0.7 inches in height, weighing 22 grams. The medium ball is slightly larger, at 5.1 inches long, 1.5 inches wide, and 0.9 inches high, weighing 46 grams. The large ball measures 5.3 inches in length, 1.7 inches in width, and 1.1 inches in height, with a weight of 73 grams. Each size offers a unique experience, making it easy to customize your routine comfortably and effectively. The perks: strengthening your pelvic floor can help prevent the urinary incontinence, and of course, make sex feel way more intense. Yes, stronger contractions mean stronger orgasms. And here's the fun part: if you're feeling playful, you can use them just for pleasure. Insert one and try centribration or pillow humping. The internal weight subtly stimulates your G-spot as you move. It's low-key but surprisingly satisfying. So whether you want a legit workout down there or just a little secret treat, this set covers both. Before we get into how to use them, quick shout out. If you're in the Philippines and looking for safe, body-friendly, discreet toys, Lauvette has you covered. Same-day delivery in Metro Manila, discreet packaging, and we're Shopee on Lazada too. All links are in the description box below. So getting your Satisfyer Yoni Power 2 is literally just one click away. Alright, now let's talk about on how to actually use them. Here's how to get the most of the Satisfyer Yoni Power 2. Step 1. Clean the smallest ball. Wash the lightest ball with mouth soap and water or the Lauvette spray and play sexual cleaner, then dry it. Step 2. Apply water-based lube for smooth, comfy insertion. Step 3. Insert gently, then start your Kegel exercise. If you're new, we'll link a beginner guide below. Step 4. Once you've used the lightest ball in your session, you can then move on to the next one. Make sure to gradually progress to the medium and then the heaviest ball, rather than rushing straight to the heavier weights. This steady approach supports your comfort and health, while helping you achieve the most enjoyable and effective results each session. Step 5. If you're in the playful mood, try inserting a ball and doing some synchronization or pillow humping. The internal weight moves with your body, giving your G-spot subtle stimulation. Step 6. After use, wash again and store in a pouch to keep them clean and ready. Who'd love this toy? This set is perfect for anyone who wants stronger pelvic floor muscles. Second, people looking for deeper, more intense orgasms. Third, beginners to intermediate users. Fourth, those who want a discreet wearable toy. And lastly, a fun, cheeky gift for a friend. If the Yoni Power 2 feels like your next must-have, all the links are down below. Whether you're training, teasing, or just exploring, this set delivers. Thanks for hanging out with me, Lovies. Don't forget to subscribe for more toy guides, tips, and unboxings. I'll see you in the next pleasure adventures. Love, love, mga Lovies. Bye!